one of the things we've been able to do in Maricopa County is we had a study that we conducted with Mercy Care, looking at the incidence of child sex trafficking in the Maricopa County community. We were able to identify 291 children over those 3.5 years that taught us quite a lot about what children were experiencing in child sex trafficking situations. The vast majority of them had run away. The vast majority of them were in the child welfare system, so in the Department of Child Safety system. But over the 3 years, we found that the age that they were identified was going lower and lower and lower. So it initially started at first identification by a therapist or by a teacher or by law enforcement to be closer to 15. And now we're seeing it drop each year just a little bit. And now we're getting closer to 13 at first age of identification. That means, of course, those victims were trafficked before they were identified, which is very concerning for us about the dropping in age. We also learned that victims of child sex trafficking over those 3 years were less likely to live with child welfare system of care. So group homes, foster homes, they were more likely to live at home. So in the beginning, it was about 75% in group homes and foster homes. And at the end, it was about 60%. So that meant 40% of those children needed a place to live, that with a parent or a guardian or someone in their life that wasn't the Department of Child Safety. And of course, things we learned were really important, that we don't have services for kinship care or parents of child sex trafficking victims. And so we've started to figure out what we can do to better serve those kids.